YouTube, it's Brandon here today with another video, and today we are going to be playing part 2 to Turbo Dismount. None further say. So we'll get right into it.
There was probably a better way to do that. Where is she?
Nope. Deny. And today I want to check out more of the maps. Last time I've only done I've only done a little bit of the maps. Well, I've been playing around on my own, and I've seen this new map, Mall Chase, where there's cops going after you. So, let's get into it. If y'all have never seen this map before, let's do it. I'm going to be using off-road steering. Let's do it. So basically, cops just chase you. Come on. Turn. Yes! Come on. Turn. Turn! Crap. Come on, turn! Oh no, the copper's after me. The popo's after me. Whoop, whoop, that's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop, that's the sound for the bees. Come on, turn, you stupid bike. Turn! Crap. You gotta be kidding me. So,
Get down.
this time, let's try the bandit.
Get down.
And let's go to obstacles.
Get down,
And we're gonna use bowling pins. Let's get into this. Okay, we got the bandit. Let's go. Oh, we missed the bowling pins. We're going to have to turn back around. Oh, the police is after me. Oh, no. Oh, you just crushed into a tree. Oh, no. Oh. Busted. So, y'all guys told me something about this feature in the comments on last video. About there being some ad carring. Nope, I'm going surprisingly slow.
I should have wrote small dick having asthma. How would I know that? It didn't even know it wasn't you.
Come on. Oh, this is boring. This is too painful. Come on, let's go. Come on, turn. You were born to turn. That's what she said. Come on, don't hit the tree. Yes. Well, I flew out. I don't care. I'm still going. You can't catch me. You're not gonna 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 catch me. I guess you are gonna catch me. You're not. Yes. Bad boys. What you gonna do? Oh, it's time. Bowling pins, here we come. Let's see our score. Yeah. Any more ideas? I have a good one. Obstacles. I want to change this one to a minefield. Turn this one into a minefield. And turn this one into a minefield. Yeah, let's do it. So it's going to be really difficult for us to get out. But I bet we can do it. We can do it. Fam!
My house trying to get back.
Come on,
I
come
just
on.
sit there and she didn't believe me.
No. Avoid the mines. Lead their car into the mines. You got it. You got this, bruh. You got this. It's the sound of the police. Come on. Turn. Aw. I was hoping to get the cops to run into the mines, guys, but let's do it. Let's try. Let's try to do this again. Did you just blow up from the minefield? I wanted you to blow up from the minefield. Don't mess with my dreams. When I say you do. Come on. No, I wanna go into the minefield. Hold on. Turning around. Boom! Boom! I am dead. So this time, let's replace all the minefields with big ramps. Now, this is gonna be hard right here. Ready? Let's go. Ayo. Oh. Ja. It's still driving. Aw. Since we'll be doing that, I know the best vehicle. The Shuddigan. It's just a street bike. Yeah. Give it some wild speed, guys. And let's go up this ramp. Woo! Ah! Oh, my head fell off. It got crushed. It's still rolling. What the heck? I want to do that in cinematic. Let's watch it in cinematic. Boom, diddy, boom. And I did my amazing flip. And then I just crushed my head, and there went my head. Well, that was educational. Let's try the other ramps, and this ramp is just dumb. Come on. Woo! Come on. We crushed our head. Oh, my head. Okay. So, guys, I guess that's not a good idea. Since those are too big, I'm going to do a semi. That was terrible, guys. Did you just see that fail? Come on. Yes, this ain't as bad. But at least land a good. Oh, no. Oh. Does it still work? Oh. So this time, I'm not going to really go for the ramps. Guys, I'm going to try something else. America. Oh, that had to hurt. I'll leave it at that, guys. One more dismount for y'all. And this dismount, we will be using the chair. I'm sorry you had to sit through this ad. Let me pause the recording so you don't have to sit through this ad. Okay, we're back, guys. Let me back out of this. And I back out of this. Yes, guys. We got a chair. Hold on. This might not be the last one. Hold on. At least do 2. Yeah. This is so cool. This is so cool. Woo. Let's do a flip. My boss is gonna be mad at me. Really, the last dismount. Trump and police with this one. You can't catch me, copper. You can't get. No, that doesn't count, guys. Don't get upset.
You slobber mouth.
I'm sorry I can't get to the police, guys, but hope you enjoyed this video. Stay awesome, and bye.